Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your graphic design skills with Adobe, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the Adobe suite. Start with Adobe Photoshop for image editing. Explore its interface and get comfortable with the tools. Practice creating simple designs to understand layers and effects. Move on to Adobe Illustrator for vector graphics. Learn the basics of shape creation and Pathfinder tools. Experiment with typography and text effects. Now, dive into Adobe InDesign for layout design. Understand the principles of working with text and images together. Create mockups of posters or brochures to refine your skills. Next, focus on building a portfolio. Collect your best works from each Adobe application. Showcase a range of styles and techniques to demonstrate versatility. Seek feedback on your portfolio from peers or online communities. Utilize online resources and tutorials. Platforms like Adobe's official site and YouTube have valuable lessons. Participate in design challenges to push your creativity. Engage in forums or social media groups for collaboration and support. Consider taking a formal course. Enroll in online courses that focus on advanced techniques in Adobe. Apply what you learn through practice projects. Always stay updated with the latest software features and trends. Follow design influencers and industry leaders for inspiration. Set aside time each week to dedicate to practice and skill development. Track your progress regularly to see improvements over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and mediums. Keep refining your skills and pushing your boundaries for continued growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.